There are many rights of one's parents that we can never really fulfill. In this regard, one of the Sahaba Ikram, one of the companions, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he said in the blessed court of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, the stones were so hot on the path that a piece of uncooked meat, it would have roasted if I placed them on those stones. I have carried my mother on my shoulders for 6 miles. Am I free from the rights of my mother, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam? The beloved Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, perhaps this could be the recompense for one of the shocks that she endured during labor while giving birth to you. Allah. May Allah Azza wa Jal have mercy upon them, and may we be forgiven without accountability for their sake. Dear Islamic brothers, dear viewers and listeners of Madani Channel, undoubtedly, a mother faces many hardships for her child. Only a mother can understand the pain that she has to endure during the delivery. How easy it is for a man that he does not have to give birth to a child. Al-Hazrat Imam Ahmad Raza Khan rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi has explained this in Fatawa Razviya, volume 27, page 101. He says, a woman faces hardships for a long time, whereas a man only gets pleasure. She keeps the child in her womb for 9 months and faces many difficulties in walking, in getting up, in sitting, and she faces even death upon every contraction during childbearing. Allah Azza wa Jal has therefore stated in the glorious Quran, Surah Al-Ahqaf, verse 15, حملته أمه كرها ووضعته كرها وحمله وفصاله 30 شهرا. Translation from Kanzul Iman. His mother bore him in the womb with hardship and delivered him with hardship, and carried him, and lactating him is for 30 months. The Quranic verse that has mentioned now in the blessed fatwa of Allah Hazrat Imam Ahmad Raza Khan rahmatullah ta'ala alayhi, and lactating him is for 30 months, is related to the establishment of relation of milk and the prohibition of nikah, marriage. It is mentioned on page 36 of Bahar Shariat volume 2, the infant shall be breastfed for 2 years, according to the Hijri years. It is not permissible to feed for more than this period, whether the infant is a girl or a boy. The popular notion amongst people, some people, is that a girl can be breastfed for 2 years and the boy for 2.5 years, and this is wrong. The ruling of 2 years applies only to breastfeeding. As for the prohibition being haram, the nikah being haram, the period is 2.5 years, which means haram to do nikah. This will be valid if she breastfeeds within 2.5 years, according to Hijri years. Even though breastfeeding after 2 years is prohibited, haram. If she feeds after the 2.5 years period, which is not permissible, the ruling of hurmatun nikah will not apply.